Welcome to Spaztastic. Welcome to SpaztasticTV. Today I'm just wondering if you want to see me do some gardening videos, because every year I grow a garden. I have a garden out back that we usually just plant the same exact things. It's just tomatoes, zucchini, cucumbers, that kind of thing. But I have a garden up front in my house that I generally experiment with different ways of growing things, or not different ways of growing things, just growing different things. And this year I was going to do beans. Now you might see that I have these two little seed packs here, and these little seed packs are just hot peppers. I mean, I got a mixed variety, and I got some ornamental ties. Now, I usually plant these in pots. Not these particular ones, but I usually plant peppers in pots. And the problem that I have with peppers in pots is that the grasshoppers will just scarf them. Hoping that doesn't happen this year. But if you're interested in any sort of that kind of content, seeing how to grow some beans and how to basically start a garden and whatnot, if there's any interest in that, go ahead and let me know down in the comment section. But I just figured it would be something interesting, because I did want to do a little bit of survival, self-sufficiency, that kind of stuff, and hopefully more of that kind of stuff to come. By the way, you can click on one of these little videos right here, and it ain't going to hurt you.